East Town Center elevators here at Beaumont Hospital in Royal Oak, Michigan. They're Dover elevators. Go down to LL. Okay, we'll go to 6. Stop it on 1. Custom indicator, very nice. Thank you.
Just go to the store, make a right, and then
Stopping on 3. I love the brails, custom. You going down?
Yeah, down, yep. She wear white gloves too, like,
Right.
be scared.
That's why I'm wearing gloves, because
Because you don't want to be cute.
Right.
Your hands sometimes like,
Exactly.
go home and oh my hands are like real flaky.
Exactly, yeah.
Look like frosted flakes or something.
That's right.
And some of these commercial hand sanitizers, they rip the moisture out of your hands.
Do they?
They kill germs, but it's like a Band-Aid take out your fingers.
Back when the pandemic was really still going on. Are you going to LL?
Yeah.
Okay. And when the pandemic was still going on, I was sanitizing my hands all the time. And my hands just dried out like crazy, so now I'm not using hand sanitizer as much, I'm just using gloves.
Right, you be like touching this button,
Right,
that button.
exactly.
You know, touch the button.
Exactly. Have a good one. Which one are you going to? 1? Yep. Have a good one. Thank you. Love those custom brails. All right, we're gonna get a cab view. Sorry for the squeaks in my feet. I just came in from outside, it's raining. Big elevator, good for hospitals, hospital time. We're at 6. Dover. Stopping on 5. Yep, you're welcome.